Hello everyone, this is Coder Singh and this is the fifth tutorial in the Numpy tutorial series. So we'll be talking about the math in Numpy today, like math operations in Numpy. So we can do all the basic math operations like plus, minus, multiplication, divide and raise to power. So let's take an example over here. I've already imported Numpy. So if you guys have not imported, then please do import it. np.numpy. So we're gonna take you're gonna create a matrix 1, 2 and 3, and b is equals to np dot sorry, np dot array, my bad, um array. So we're gonna go for 5, 4 and let's suppose 10. So if I do this particular addition over here, like a plus b, I'll get the particular result, like 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, 10 plus 3 is 13. I can do the same for the multiplication as well, a into b, and get the result of d. So I'm getting the results over here. So let's suppose if I want to do a raised to power 9, again I will be able to do it. It's very simple and I get the answer over here. So I hope you got it. These are very simple things. So now the trigonometric function. So you have sine, cos, tan, whatever is in the trigonometry, you have it in here. So you just have to write np dot sine of a. You get sine of a. You can write np dot cos of a, and cos of a, np dot tan a, you can get tan a also. Yeah, you can get tan a also. So you can find all the trigonometry functions of numpy. They come, sometimes they come in handy if you're doing some mathematical operations, if required, but most of the times we do not use them. But I thought it would be useful for those people who might be shifting from MATLAB to NumPy or some Python library to perform the day-to-day operations. So finding determinant. Okay, so term of matrix and determinants we must have read in class 11th or 12th, or we might not have, but I'll tell you. I'll first of all tell you how to make a identity matrix and what is it basically. So np dot identity, and let's go for 2. So a, as you can see, let's go for 3. So we're gonna go for, let's go for 4 only. Let's go for 4. As you can see, there is a diagonal line which is going, and these all are ones. So this is the identity matrices are those matrices. If I give a transpose of this matrix, then it's gonna look alike. It's gonna look same. So the determinant of these matrices are, as we all know, is basically one only. So but still we're gonna do it. So what I did, it's np dot linear algebra determinant and a. If I pass a, I'll get 1. So I got the determinant, and there are some functions. Yeah, there are some helper functions like np max, np min, np sum. So we're gonna see them too. So a is our what? A is this. So let's change. Let's see what is in the b, because I've already created. So if I wanna do np dot max b, so I'll get the maximum value. If I do np dot min b, I'll get the minimum value. If I do np dot sum b, I'll get the sum of the entire value. So let's suppose if I have c is equals to np dot array np dot array, I have multiple determinants. I have multiple data, like in the same one. So I have 1, 2 and 3. 3. Then I have 3, 6 and 8. So now I want to do the same operations over here. So I can just come over here and just do np dot max. So this time it's not going to take from a particular thing, but it's going to tell the which is the max value from an entire array. So you can perform these operations np min, np sum on the entire array, even if you have 250, even if your array is by 256 by 256. The shape of this array is c dot shape, so we can see it is 2 by 3, but you can perform it in anywhere, in any. So it's very useful when you're finding the upper limit and the lower limit, so you can take out the average of the particular array. So I hope you understood this particular tutorial. If there's something I'm lacking, you can guys add on the comment. I can make the tutorial on the next maybe in the next video about it. And if there's anything you guys want to know in specifics, you guys can obviously email me or write me a comment, whatever it is. And thank you so much guys for watching the tutorial. If you like the video, then give me a thumbs up on the video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any good comments, please do write it, because it really motivates me whenever you guys interact with my channel, and it really helps me to keep on making content for you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching the tutorial. Stay tuned.